In this video, we are going to show you how to get free OpenArt AI credits. Now, you only need to do one thing, which is go to Twitter or X. Make sure you have a Twitter or X account. And what you want to do is go to OpenArt AI's Twitter account at OpenArt_AI. This is going to be their profile. And if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of video or image generations and just see how amazing the quality is. There you go. And you're going to see tweets like this. So if you want to get 600 credits for free, all you need to do is retweet, follow, and reply 60% off. So all you need to do is retweet. So we do that right now. So retweet, there you go. Follow, just click follow OpenAI like so. There you go. And then lastly, reply 60% off. There you go. Post reply. And if you scroll down, as you can see, they are actively replying to all of those who comment the promo code. After that, you're going to get pretty much 600 credits for free to try out in OpenArt's website. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.